Up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. I was kind of struggling this week, wondering what I was going to clean, because my house doesn't really get that messy. It gets dirty and I have to vacuum and mop and dust, but it doesn't really get messy. So when the baby's mom called and asked if I would keep her this weekend, I said yes, because I knew I would have some good content for you guys. But if I fall, I will get up again. Last week I mentioned buying this water bottle a few months ago so that I could keep up with my water intake, and that didn't work. So I'm trying other solutions. This week I decided to buy some of the Nestle Pure Life flavored water. I'm happy to say that I have been successfully drinking 5 bottles of water every day. I've been trying really hard to post something on Instagram every day to stay in touch with followers I have over there. So if you're not already following me, you can find me at Never Not Cleaning. I was going to edit this part of the video and speed it up, but then I noticed that the duration of the video was 11 minutes and 11 seconds, so I couldn't bring myself to edit any more out or speed it up because that would change the duration of the video. If you haven't already jumped on the air fryer bandwagon, I highly recommend that you do. What I'm cleaning out of my air fryer is leftover French fries from McDonald's. So normally when you put them in your refrigerator, they're disgusting and soggy and there's no getting them back again. Not if you have an air fryer. You can put them in there for, I think usually 3 minutes is good. I put mine on either 390 or 400, whatever the default setting is, and just leave it in there for 3 or 4 minutes and they are so good.
Wake up at your place, wake up at mine. Same question always. I'm getting tired.
Cleaning my kitchen countertops with Clorox wipes is something I still do every single day, multiple times a day. Almost always I do it in the morning as I'm making coffee and putting away whatever dishes were in the dishwasher from the night before, and then again before I go to bed when I clean up after dinner, I wipe them all down again. Now that I'm saying this out loud, there's really no point in me cleaning them in the morning and at night because there's nobody in the kitchen in between, so maybe I'll change that.
Why don't we just get a place together?
11. That's the number of pillows I have on my bed. 11. Kind of ridiculous. See, even the baby thinks so. How many pillows do you have on your bed? How many do you take off your bed every night to sleep? I only take 4 off of my bed to sleep. I've often thought about getting a few more pillows to decorate my bed, but then what's the point? Nobody sees it but me and you guys don't really care how many pillows are on my bed.
Mornings in our own bed, so much better. Balconies and bathtubs, what you want? Why don't we just get a place together? Why don't we just get
As I was finishing here, I could hear a certain someone jabbering in the other room, so I went and got her to get her dressed because we were going to a birthday party for my friend's dad, and I was going to edit this clip out, but then I noticed when I was doing the editing, she saw herself in the camera, and look at that grin. She's so stinking cute.
wake up at mine? Balconies and bathtubs, what you want? Why don't we just get a place together?
I don't think I've really ever shown my bathroom on camera, not because it's dirty, but because it's tiny and really hard to film in here, so the camera is actually on the tripod in the shower. I'm just cleaning up the counter here from when I was getting ready for the party, which was before I started filming this video, and I'm just putting everything away because, as you can see here, I really have no space to keep anything on the counter, so everything that I use on a daily basis is in the cabinet right there above the sink, and then above the toilet I have some toilet paper, and all the rest of the stuff is kept out in the hallway.
It's a real adventure, the trail you're looking at. I'm glad you came for a while, I thought you might be bailing. Is that the same yellow shirt you used to wear? But 1,000 years seem like almost no time now. This guitar right here, do you still remember how I played for you? I was crappy, but you sang along, and I thought you knew I could die to keep you near. We've got a fire in the tent, it's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff's got nothing on you.
If you've seen any of my other videos, you already know that I hate this chair. So in order to hate it a little bit less, I bought this cover on Amazon. Now, the cover works fantastic. With the cover comes these little inserts that you can stick in the cracks to keep it on and keep it formed to the chair. But the ones it comes with are real teeny tiny, kind of like pool noodles that you would find at Dollar Tree, but they're about 1 inch in diameter, and they don't last very long. So I went to Dollar Tree, bought an actual pool noodle that's much bigger, and I cut it in half to the size and stick it into the crack. And then I use the remaining pieces to spank the baby. I'm just kidding, I don't spank her. I use the remaining pieces inside my boots so that they can stand up in my closet.
We could get back to this, catching up what we missed, or we could just relive that summer night. For all I can, we could spend the firewood till it's end. Nobody's
Obviously you can't hear her because I muted the audio when I sped this clip up, but as she's swinging the pool noodle around at me, she's whispering, pow pow, pow pow.
That star's got nothing on you. That one's brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight. We've got a fire in the tent.
Thanks again for clicking on my video today. I hope I was able to give you at least a little bit of cleaning motivation. If you liked this video, click like, and if you really liked it, click subscribe. See you next week.